So, as I told you, when Pilate sent Jesus before Herod was in Jerusalem. And when Jesus was brought before him, he was what? He was very joyful because he had heard what Jesus had performed a lot of what? Miracles. And he was hoping to see one of the miracles. So Herod asked Jesus many questions, but Jesus kept quiet. What happened is just Herod and his soldiers mocked Jesus and ridiculed him, and he still did not talk. They even put him royal clothes. And after putting him royal clothes, remember the people were saying that he was claiming to be the what? The Messiah. So they put him royal clothes and they sent him back to Pilate. We were told before this, Pilate and Herod were not friends, they were enemies, right? Yes. But because now of what was happening to Jesus, they became friends. They became friends with each other. And so we go to trial before Herod. We start again at verse 6. Trial before Herod. Luke chapter 23, verse 6 to 12. When Pilate... Yes, start.
When Herod saw Jesus, he was very glad that they decided to see.
You've started verse 6. When Pilate had this.
When Pilate heard this, he asked whether the man was a Galilean.
And when he had done that, he belonged to Herod's justification. He him over to Herod, who was conceived in Jerusalem and still.
When Herod saw Jesus, he was very glad, for he had long desired to see him, because he had heard about him, and he was hoping to see some sign done by him.
So he questioned him at some length, but he made no answer.
The chief priests vehemently accused him, and Herod with his soldiers treated him with contempt and mocked him, then arraigned him in gorgeous outfit. He sent him back to Pilate.
And Herod and Pilate became friends with each other, and every day of the feast they were angry and enemies with each other.
Yes.